YSoft is helping businesses and their people build better ways of working as they embrace digital transformation and future-proof their workplace. With our manufacturing facilities just around the corner from HQ, we are able to embed cutting-edge quality, flexibility, and security to all our solutions. YSoft MFX Ultimate Reader is the most universal and reliable card reader on the market today, delivering security, ease of use, and convenience whenever you need it. The YSoft Card Reader Briefcase is an ideal tool for the front line. It contains everything you need to successfully present YSoft card readers to a customer. The MFX Ultimate Reader, the most universal card reader on the market. YSoft configuration cards. Samples of various RFID cards, fobs, and stickers from our portfolio. Various USB cables and card reader mounting.